Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids, and in today's video I take you guys over a gaming PC build guide for $800, which is going to feature the new RX 590 GPU from AMD and a Ryzen 5 2600, which is from the second generation of Ryzen CPU. So this build is going to cost you $800 and it's going to perform like a champ in gaming. You can also do live streaming, editing, and just heavy workloads in general. It's going to offer you a really good price to performance, and it's going to be a really good value for money build. If you were looking for a PC for $800, keep watching this video. I'll take you guys over the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers and benchmarks and how you can upgrade this PC in the future. And with that being said, all the parts that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below to Amazon US. So yeah, click the link in the description down below to get these parts for yourself, and in turn you can help the channel out because those are affiliate links, and yeah, it just helps me to make more videos. And with that being said, let's get on with the build. Quickly going over the parts for the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 2600. It's a 6-core 12-thread beast that is unlocked, so you can overclock to get some extra performance. A base clock of 3.4 GHz, a boost of 3.9, and a TDP of 65 watts. And it also comes with a Wraith Stealth cooler that is really good for decent overclocking. All that for $165. In my opinion, this is a really good deal. To house that CPU, we have the MSI Pro Series B450-A Pro. Again, AM4 B450 motherboard with DDR4, USB 3.0, HDMI, and overclocking support. All that for only $79.99. Again, this will get the job done. Memory, we have 8GB of Patriot Viper 4 at 3000 MHz. So again, this is DDR4 at 3000 MHz, 8GB for $70. And also 8GB should be more than enough in 2018 for gaming and doing modern day-to-day tasks. Also, if you need more RAM, motherboard has the slots. Go ahead and upgrade to your heart's content. We have the WD Blue 1TB hard drive, 64 MB of cache, 7200 RPM, and a 3.5-inch form factor, $44. Also, I really recommend an SSD for really good UI responsiveness and just better performance in general. Now, to power this whole build out, we have the EVGA 700W, which is an 80+ bronze certified power supply with 3 years of warranty. And that 80+ bronze certification means you'll get 80% plus efficiency at all times, or at least in ideal conditions. For $69, it's not a bad deal. So 700 watts should be more than enough to power this whole build up and also leave some headroom for future upgrades. Now for the star of the show and the graphics card, we have the Sapphire Radeon Nitro Plus RX 590. This comes with 8GB of GDDR5 memory that is overclocked to 1520 MHz, 2 HDMI ports, 2 display ports, 1 dual-link DVI. It also has a custom backplate, supports DirectX 12. It is VR ready for $280. This is a really good card and comes in between the 1060 and the 1070 in terms of performance, and they should get the job done in my opinion. Now to wrap this whole bit up, we have the NZXT H500 ATX mid-tower case. This comes with tempered glass side panel, custom PSU shroud. It has all the space and all the looks in the world. Looks pretty minimal, so it's not going to scream gamery on your desk. And yeah, it comes in a bunch of colors. We have gone with white and black here. You can go with different colors to suit your setup. And for $70, this will get the job done. So that's about it for the parts. Now let's talk about performance. And this build for $800 is going to perform like a beast. The RX 590 coupled with the Ryzen 5 2600 and 8GB of RAM, this PC is going to kick ass in terms of gaming, editing, and live streaming. In terms of gaming, you can expect it to crush the modern AAA titles in 1080p, maxed out ultra settings, and you're still getting above 60 FPS. You can try to go up to 1440p in some games, but you might have to lower down the settings. Games that don't require a lot of power and are easy to run, you're expecting 1440p maxed out and still going above 60 FPS or 100 FPS in some cases. If you have a 144Hz monitor or a 244Hz monitor, you can lower down the settings and the resolution and still get that buttery smooth FPS. Maybe competitive gaming, or you just like the high FPS. And in terms of editing and live streaming, you can edit videos in 4K no problem, and you can live stream games while playing them at 1080p to Twitch or YouTube, your desired platform. Overall, this is a really good value for money, price to performance build for $800, and I totally recommend you go for it. If you have $800 and if you're looking for a gaming / editing workstation PC, this is the build to go for. In terms of future upgrades, you can upgrade the CPU to a Ryzen 7, add more RAM up to 64GB, add more storage, preferably SSDs, and you can also upgrade the graphics card to maybe a GTX 1070, a 1080, RTX, whatever suits your budget. And yeah, this is a custom build PC, so you can do all of that. And that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this build, and are you going to build it? All the parts are linked down below to Amazon US, and if you want to help the channel out, go ahead and buy from those are affiliate links. And that's about it, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.